am so excited to share this gifted package with you. This is from K18 Biomimetic Hair Science. Now, why am I so excited to share this with you? It is because if you have been following me for a while, you know that my hair was pink for over a year and it seriously damaged my hair. So I'm finally at a stage where I have been able to grow most of the length back, and some of the pieces that were like here a little while ago are now growing out. So that's the good news, but now I'm excited because I'm going to start to add this product into my routine, and we're going to test out some real-time results because there's definitely still some damage in my hair. The texture's still a little funky. So we're going to test it out because I'm really curious after reading more about this. Let's read a little bit about this together because I have been reading all about this and I'm super excited and just really curious to see what this is all about. So on here it says hair like new in 4 minutes. K18 peptide is the patented molecular breakthrough clinically proven to reverse hair damage in just 4 minutes from bleach and color. So that caught my attention. Chemical services and heat. So on the inside here, we have a little bit more info on the brand. So in here, you can open it up. It gives you a little bit info on how it works and the science behind it. So you can open it up. It also gives you instructions on how you can use it. It gives you also a guide. So if you have short, medium, and long hair, it suggests fine and thin, medium, thick, and coarse, how many pumps of this product you'll actually need. So this is a pretty thorough guide to give you some more information about the product. This gives you a little idea of what they're trying to do here. So we're going to try it out. Right here is the actual product. So this is it. It is 50 milliliters, so 1.7 fluid ounces. It's a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. So we're going to open it up. That way I can show you. Here we have it. There's also a little insert in the box that you can read. This is the product right here. I'm going to open it. There's a little tab keeping it closed. I'm not going to apply it right now because it does suggest that you need damp hair for it, but this is it, and I'm super excited to try it. When I read the instructions earlier, so it says usage shampoo, do not condition, towel dry thoroughly, begin with 1 pump, add more as needed depending on length, thickness, and condition. So that's where that little guide comes in to help you have an idea of how much you should use. Work evenly into hair from ends to roots, 1 pump at a time. Let sit for 4 minutes to activate. Do not rinse out. Style as usual. Then it also suggests use for the first 4 to 6 washes and then every 3 to 4 washes as needed. So I'm really excited to try this because, again, my hair is definitely not back to where it was before I started bleaching it and coloring it. Yes, I do miss the pink hair, but I needed to get my hair back to being healthy again because we reached a point where it was just not good. So I'm excited to use this K18, see how my hair can get back to being strong and nice and long. So stay tuned. Follow me at the Banana Diaries because I will be posting more about this, and I will be sharing some videos and some reviews on what I think about this product. Follow me at the Banana Diaries, Instagram, TikTok. Check out my website, thebananadiaries.com. You'll find so much content for beauty, fashion, and more.